Meditation corner. You see this? This is a spoon. And you see the thing that where you see them have on a construction site where mix the cement, you call it a shovel. You understand? And here we're going. You see the huge difference and the amount of spoon we have to take to make one shovel. So why you going to gain a wealth with a spoon and get it with a shovel? Tell me. Some people, because of perception, they want 15. Them take 10 years to build one thing and get it in a 1 month. And then I complain. Are you mash up your thing? You understand? Because you can't sorry for everybody. And everybody sorry for work for. And everybody prayer work for. You pray for people who not pray for themselves. You sorry for people who not sorry for themselves. You think that when you mash up your thing, somebody has to come mash up them thing for you? Don't gain your wealth with a spoon and share it out with a shovel. It take about 300 of this or 400 spoon to make one shovel.